What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your Spotify music a lot louder. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be heading to the Spotify application, and this is completely free. There's no like extension or any other apps that we need to install. It's straight from the app itself. So you want to do is go to the gears icon in the upper right hand corner. So once you're there, you want to go into playback, and then you want to scroll all the way down and you'll see something called equalizer. So we're going to go into that option right here, and then you're going to see this kind of like wave bar. By default it should be just a straight line, but if you scroll down, you're going to see a bunch of other presets. So if you want like a bass booster, we can select on that. We want like dance, we got electronic, so you guys can select the presets. But if you want the loudest possible for your music, what you guys do want to do is just drag each dot all the way up to the top, just like this, and after that you will play your music. You will notice an increase in the volume of the music that you're currently playing. I will say that it won't give you like the best bass booster, because I know a lot of people like listening to music with a little bit of bass. You won't really get that with this, but like I said, this video is for anyone who just wants to get Spotify music a lot louder on their iPhone or Android device. But yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you guys did, drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.